Okay. Right. I think you have already seen that previous video, and those who have attended already, you know what we have discussed in the class. So using that information, we will do MCQ sum. So this MCQ, this particular MCQ, this is from the exemplar. Okay, they are asking to find the domain of cos inverse of 2x minus 1. Options are 0, 1, minus 1, 1, minus 1, 1 in open brackets, and none of these. First of all, you know very well, cos inverse of x will lie between, x will lie between minus 1 and 1. So here instead of x, you are having 2x minus 1. So now if I write here 2x, I am adding on both sides. So 2x will be between 0 and 2. So x will lie between 0 and 1. So my answer will be first option. Right, sir?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts regarding this, sir?
No doubts.
Right. Next question. You can itself tell them. Principal value of cot inverse of minus root 3. Cot inverse of minus root 3. First of all, you know one thing. Cot inverse of minus x is equals to pi minus cot inverse of x. So this you can write as pi minus cot inverse of root 3. So pi minus, so cot theta will be equal to root 3 at 30 degrees.
Yes, sir.
30 degrees is pi by 6. So
Right.
value is 5 pi by 6. Right?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Next question. Find the value of sin inverse of cos of 13 pi by 5. Ask us to find the value of sin inverse of cos 13 pi by 5. First of all, I will try to write what is 13 pi by 5. So 13 pi by 5 can I write as 2 pi plus 3 pi by 5, amma? Yes?
Yes, sir.
2 pi is 10 pi by 5 plus 3 pi is 13 pi by 5. So 2 pi means 360 plus theta. It will again become theta. So this I can write as cos of 3 pi by 5. Correct?
Yes.
So sin inverse of cos of 3 pi by 5. So what can I do here? Cos can I write as cos theta, can I write as sin of 90 minus theta? Yes.
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 So pi by 2 minus 3 pi by 5 pi minus 6 pi by 10 minus pi by 10. That is what I am getting.
Yes, sir. Minus 5 by.
Yes, sir.
Right. So sin inverse of sin of minus pi by 10. So this will be equal to what? Minus pi by 10. Right, sir?
Yes, sir.
Next, sir, moving on. Moving to assertion and reasoning type questions, sir. Already you know the options. Yesterday also we have done many questions. So question is, assertion is the range of the function f of x is equals to 2 sin inverse of x plus 3 pi by 2, where x belongs to minus 1 comma 1 in closed interval is pi by 2 comma 5 pi by 2 in closed intervals. That is the assertion. Reason they are telling that the range of principal value branch of sine inverse of x is 0 to pi. Clearly, we know that range of sine inverse of x is not 0 to pi, correct?
Yes.
This is gone. So you have only one option left. What is that option? A is true, R is false. Correct, Amma?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
You want me to show how this value is coming? Anybody needs? Emma? Normally, you know very well that sine inverse of x will lie between minus pi by 2 and pi by 2. Right, Nana? So 2 sine inverse of x means minus pi to pi. Now plus 3 by 2 is also there. So what I will do? You can add 3 pi by 2 on both sides. Correct? Yes. So what will you get? Pi by 2 lying between f, f of x lies between pi by 2 and pi by 2. Correct, Amma? Puridu? Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. Next question.
Yes, sir.
Assertion. Assertion, they are telling that the domain of function secant inverse of 2x is minus infinity to minus 1 by 2 union 1 by 2 to infinity. Reasoning is secant inverse of minus 2 is equals to minus pi by 4. First of all, I will take reason, sir.
Second
This,
false.
Amma,
Second false.
அப்போ போச்சுல்ல முடிஞ்சு தெரிஞ்சிச்சுல்ல. So pi minus secant inverse of 2 I can write pi minus cos inverse of 1 by 2. So this is pi minus pi by 6. That is 5 pi by 6. It is not equals to minus pi by 4. So this is false and add A automatically it will become true. A is true, R is false. Right?
Yes.
Sir, நாங்க check பண்ணணும்னா ஒன்றும் இல்லைம்மா secant inverse of x. It belongs to minus infinity to minus 1 union 1 to infinity. Right? So if I say secant inverse of 2x, what will happen? Secant inverse of x, it is defined for this condition, right? So if I have to do for secant inverse of 2x, so normally secant inverse of x means x is less than or equal to 1. Sorry, x is less than or equal to minus 1, x is greater than or equal to 1. Here for secant inverse of 2x, it will be x is less than or equal to minus 1 by 2 or x is greater than or equal to 1 by 2. Right? And range of the function already you know 0 to pi minus pi by 2. That is the range, right?
Yes.
Already இங்க minus கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, so already தெரியுது it's right?
Yes, sir.
Problem போட கூட தேவையில்லை, டைரக்டா யூஸ் பண்ணிரலாம். Next question, sir. Assertion, they are telling assertion is principal value of sine inverse of 1 by root 2 is pi by 4. And reason is principal value of cot inverse of minus 1 by root 3 is pi by 3. Yes. என்ன பண்ணலாம்? இது clear. இது நமக்கு நல்லாவே தெரியும். இதுவும் not clear. This is also wrong. This is also you know already. So what will we get here normally? Cot inverse of minus 1 by root 3 and pi minus
Pi
cot
ten.
inverse of 1 by root 3. So I can say pi minus tan inverse of root 3. Tan inverse of root 3 is how much, sir? Pi minus 60 degrees, pi by 3. So I will get 2 pi by 3. So A is true, R is false. Right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Next, sir. Find the value of sine inverse of cos of 33 pi by 5. என்ன பண்ணலாமா? Fast சொல்லுங்க நீங்களே. First of all, I will try to split and write what is 33 pi by 5. So I can write it as 6 pi plus 3 pi by 5 if I am not wrong. Correct?
Yes, sir.
30 plus 3, 33. So இப்போ இது எப்படி எழுதலாம்? Sin inverse of cos of 3 pi by 5 ன்னு எழுதலாம். 6 pi it is nothing but 3 times 2 pi, right? So first quadrantல இருக்கும் இது. So இது எப்படி எழுதலாமா? இங்க இருந்து. So sin inverse of, can I write it as sin of pi by 2 minus 3 pi by 5 amma? Cos theta sin of 90 minus theta. Right? So
Sir.
sin inverse of sin of இதுக்கு முன்னாடி பண்ணிருக்கோம்லமா இது இந்த மாதிரி क्वेश्चन.
Minus pi by 10.
அவ்வளவு வருது.
Minus
pi
pi
by
by
right. So we will get minus pi by 10. Over. Done. Okay. Done. Next one. Find the domain of இது important question நம்ம இப்போ பேச போறது. பத்திரமா பார்த்துக்கோங்க. கண்டிப்பா வர்றதுக்கு கூட சான்ஸ் இருக்கு. Find the domain of sin inverse of x square minus 4. இது லாஸ்ட் இயர் கேட்டாங்கம்மா. இந்த இயர் சாம்பிள் பேப்பர்லயும் இருக்கும்மா இந்த கொஸ்டின். டொமைன் கேட்குறாங்கம்மா. sin inverse of x square minus 4 ஓட டொமைன். So normally you know very well that sin inverse of x, for sin inverse of x belongs to minus 1 to 1. So can I say minus 1 is less than or equal to x square minus 4 less than or equal to 1. So adding 4 on both sides, 3 x square இந்த மாதிரி இருக்குமாமா, right? So from this I will get two cases amma. What are they? X square minus 3 will be greater than or equal to 0. That means I can say x minus root 3 into x plus root 3 will be greater than or equal to 0, right? If I plot this is minus root 3, this is plus root 3, here it will be positive, here it will be positive, between that it will be negative. அதே மாதிரி இங்க இருந்து எடுத்தீங்கன்னா x square minus 5 is less than or equal to 0, x plus root 5 into x minus root 5 is less than or equal to 0, right? Again here also, if I take minus root 5, here beyond that it is plus, here minus, after root 5 it will be plus. So what will be my common region here now for both of these things? So minus 5 to minus root 3 union root 3 comma root 5. Clear?
Yes, sir.
சார் இதெல்லாம் எங்களுக்கு கஷ்டமா இருக்கு சார், கொஞ்சம் இன்னும் சிம்பிளா சொல்லுங்க சார். 2 மார்க்குக்கு எதுக்கு சார் இவ்வளவு பேர் சொன்னா? ஒன்றும் இல்லை. இப்போ இங்கே ஃபங்க்ஷன் இருக்கா, இது நீங்கள் எப்படி எழுதலாம்னா √3 less than or equals to மாடுலஸ் ஆஃப் எக்ஸ் less than or equals to 5 போடுங்க. போட்டுட்டு டைரெக்டாக இந்த ஸ்டெப்பு போட்டுக்கலாம், ஒன்றும் பிரச்சனை இல்லை. ஓகே,
Okay.
பட் யூ ஷுட் நோ ஹவு டு ரைட் திஸ் திங். தட் இஸ் வை ஐ எம் டிஸ்கஸிங், நத்திங் எல்ஸ். One second now. Next question. Find the value of sine inverse of sine of 13 pi by 7. Thirteen pi by 7, it is more than pi by 2 or
Yes.
less than pi by 2?
Less. More than pi by.
1 point something pi or
Yes.
so it is beyond the range. So we have to reconstruct this thing. So I can write as sine of 2 pi minus pi by 7. Right? 14 by 7 is 2. 14 minus 1, 13. Right. So sine inverse of this thing. So I will get sine inverse of sine of minus pi by 7. So answer will be minus pi by 7. It belongs to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next question, sir. Find the value of tan inverse of √3 minus cot inverse of minus √3. Directly this you can write as pi by 3. This is pi minus cot inverse of √3. Right? So this I can write as pi minus tan inverse of 1 by root 3. So tan inverse of 1 by root 3 is pi by 6, 30 degrees, right? So this will become pi by 3 minus pi by 6 minus pi by 2 under mama, right? That is the value. Okay. Clear? Any doubts? Kindly ask.
No doubt.
Ma. Sir, any doubts, sir? Sir,
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
next. Sin inverse of sin 3 pi by 4 plus cos inverse of cos 3 pi by 4 plus tan inverse of 1. This I can write as sin inverse of sin of pi minus pi by 4, sir. So this will become sin inverse of sin pi by 4. That is nothing but pi by 4. Pi by 4, it belongs to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So this is holding good, right? Next, coming to cos inverse of cos 3 pi by 4. 0 to pi is the, what do you say, domain. So directly you can write 3 pi by 4 here. Tan inverse of 1 is pi by 4, sir. Of course, you know very well. So pi by 4 plus 3 pi by 4 plus pi by 4. What will be the value, sir? 3 में ऐड பண்ணா என்ன வரும்? pi by 4. போன வாட்டி 2-3 செட்ல கேட்டாங்கம்மா இது. Same question. Okay. Done. Can I move to next one?
Yes, sir.
Next question, sir. Sin inverse of cos of sin inverse of root 3 by 2. Sir, sin inverse of root 3 by 2. Sin value root 3 by 2 at pi by 6. Correct, sir? No.
Pi by 3, sir.
Pi by 3. 60 degrees, right? So cos pi by 3. So sin inverse of cos pi by 3. Cos pi by 3 is cos 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. So sin inverse of 1 by 2. That will be equal to pi by 6. 30 degrees. Right?
Yes, sir.
Exemplar questions are this one. Okay. Done.
Yes, sir.
Next one. Solve for x. Tan inverse of 1 minus x by 1 plus x is equals to half tan inverse of x, where x is greater than 0. This is also exemplar question, sir. So first what I will do, because I am having tan inverse outside, I will let x is equals to tan theta. Right? Yes, sir. Can I do that, sir?
Yes, sir.
So what I will do here, this 2 over here, I will try to send to that side. So I want to prove now 2 tan inverse of 1 minus x by 1 plus x is equals to tan inverse of x. Now taking x is equals to tan theta, that would imply 2 tan inverse of 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta is equals to theta. Correct? Already in the morning I have told you, this is looking in the form of pi by 4 minus theta, tan of pi by 4 minus theta, right? So 2
Yes.
tan inverse of tan of pi by 4 minus theta equals to theta. So this I can write as 2 times pi by 4 minus theta is equals to theta. So what will I get here now? Pi by 2 minus 2 theta is equals to theta. 3 theta is equals to pi by 2. Theta is equals to pi by 6. Right? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Actually, what is theta? Theta is a tan inverse of x. So tan inverse of x is equals to pi by 6 means x value will be tan pi by 6. Tan 30 degrees. 1 by root 3. That is the answer. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, one question you can take as homework. Cos inverse of 4 by 5 plus tan inverse of 2 by 3. What can I do? I will let cos inverse of 4 by 5 is equals to A. So cos A will be equal to 4 by 5. Correct? Similarly, tan inverse of 2 by 3 is equals to B. So I can write tan B is equals to 2 by 3. Correct? So from this can I find the tan A, sir? Cos A is 4 by 5. So tan A will be 3 by 4, right? So this is nothing but a tan A plus tan B. So tan A plus tan B now. Not 10, sorry. 1 minute. Okay, so what I will do here, this cos inverse of 4 by 5 is there, no? This I can write as tan inverse of 3 by 4. Correct, Amma? This as such I am keeping it, no change. Just writing it like that only. So tan inverse A plus tan inverse B will be equal to tan inverse of A plus B by 1 minus AB. Right? So this will be tan inverse of 3 by 4 plus 2 by 3 by 1 minus 3 by 4 into 2 by 3. Tan inverse of 17 by 6. Same problem we did, Amma, in the morning. Different one. Similar one we did. Okay, no problem. That is the question, Amma. That's it. That's the end of that. Okay. We will talk about CBQ later. Case based we will do later. Huh? Only that PDF, Amma. If you can do that PDF, that is sufficient. Done. This is done. Can I remove?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.